Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, it is Flosstube Day. It is my 304th Flosstube and today is October 28th, 2025. Holy cow, we have like a month before Thanksgiving. Here we are. How did we get here? I'm not real sure. It's been a journey. I also have my October cup for one more week. And today it is orange spice, or orange and spice by Bigelow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It was actually a busy week. I don't know how to react. We had three reviews and 4 starts. Who am I? What the heck? That hasn't happened in at least a month. Yeah, so I did get some progress done on the starts that I did. So let's get started. How's that? Have to get organized here. Okay. One of the starts that I did, I'm just going to pull the whole thing out because it comes out so easy, is watercolor peony, not peonies, bouquet. And I got this from 121 Stitch. It was a new company to me. So we had 2 starts from 121. So let's see what we got here. Got a holy cow, we got, yeah, think I should have done this ahead of time, huh? My goodness gracious. I have an extra string there because I was working in a different place than where we started. So, we started in this corner and I got a little tired of doing all the grays, so I started to put the green in the leaf, or we'll call it the fauna, up there by that peony on this side. It goes across there. Sorry, I put it back in the thing because I'm paranoid that it's going to get all bent up. But you can kind of see not too much progress, but I did get some of that corner done. Oh my eyes. It was really, really windy yesterday. So, got some progress done on that one. Let me put that away. I think I'll transfer this to one of my plastic bags. I have a smaller bag, and then I have the ginormous bag, because I got those for the big kids. Yeah. Whoops. Get everything together because there's no marking on that and I don't want to get it all messed up. We also started one from DIY Choose, and it's the 4 Seasons in the Forest Autumn. Say that 3 times fast. And it looks like this. I didn't get any more done on it, but it is so pretty. I love all the colors and I love that it's not very big. It's kind of skinny mini. So we worked down here in this gold. I don't even know that you can see where I did it, but it came across here and there. I'll show you the back so you can actually tell that I did some stitching on it. So I'll keep this out this week to stitch on. I was a little bit distracted, shall we say, this past week. I did sit down and stitch, you know, while we were watching TV, so it's not like I didn't do any stitching, if you will. And we also got from, sorry for the crinkling, yeah, from 121 Stitch. It's called Christmas Colorful Sweet Biscuits Part 1. Okay. We're going to call it Christmas cookies because that's a little much to put in a title. I love this. Look at all those colors. Yeah. And we started on the blue. I'm going to call it a snow globe because I have no idea what it is. It might be some decorative cookie. I got nothing. So I didn't work anymore on the blue that we started with. I went up in here to start adding the reds and oranges because I needed a little contrast and I can't figure out where it is. Oh, please. Oh, my goodness. This thing is huge. Yeah, and then I got to figure out which way it goes. So, sorry for the thread there. But we did the blue. I finished out an extra strand of blue to get that done. But I went up here to start where there's a bow here, and then there's, like, this is part of a bow. I know it doesn't make sense, but it's that and that right in there. There's something there. So I just started adding the reds and the oranges to that one. So got a little more on it done than what we did in the video. Too bad this isn't already in a bag. Then you wouldn't hear crinkling. Okay, let me get it out of the freeway. And last but not least for the starts, oh, I love this. There's just too many that I just absolutely adore. It is the teacups from Diamond Art Decor, and we started with this one right here. So, yeah. So, I think of all three, or the three of them and everything, this is one that I did more on than anything. Let me get the needle. As far as new starts go. Oh, please. I don't want to stab that in my finger. So we started on this teacup, and I've about got all the colors in it. There might be a few here and there, and then it's going to require back stitching. So, yeah, I love this. It was so easy to just put that in. It just went like a dream. So we'll try to do a teacup a week, but maybe it's a teacup every other week and a half. Yeah, because there's still some stitching there. I don't know that I will do the back stitching or not, but yeah, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Maybe I should swap out one of my weeklies for working on this, but I really don't want to do that. Not especially. And that is all of the starts that I did. The only other, I'm having an avalanche over here, which is trying to avoid a mess. Stay. Yeah, not happening. Is Watertown Memory, and I don't have a picture of it right here handy. So I've been working on, so you can get the whole picture, on the second building here. So this week, since I put so much time into the hairpins to finish that section, I'll work on this to get more of this building right here so it'll all connect right across. But I love it. It's going slow, but it is what it is, right? And last but not least is the hairpins. So I finished that part completely. I don't know if there's a black line that goes through it, but I think I got it on the outside. So that purplish red part is done. It still needs a few things down here. And I did start on the video, and I had a little bit done, but on the video I actually started that next section, which is going to be kind of big. So next week I want to work on that part of that train to finish that, so that we'll have everything and whatever needs to be done in this white section. So we'll have everything to about here down done in that corner. And then we can work on the next lady, because hers is like blue. But that, guys, oh my goodness, let me just set that down. Kind of kills the shoulders. It's so big. It doesn't kill my shoulders when I'm working on it, because it's really kind of lightweight compared to the Watertown Memory. But I just want to get some progress done with those two. They're like my main focus, and that's why I made a special day for each of those, so that I can get more done. But that is everything. Now, we will have November Saturday stitching on Saturday. Amazing, huh? How that worked out. Don't forget the time change if you live in the U.S. and if you don't live in Arizona. Arizona doesn't change anything. We just kind of catch up with them, and I'm sure there's other states. Yeah, so that's this weekend. And the theme for November is going to be mountains, so I may pull out my, what is it called? I don't know what it's called. It's my beaded mountain one that I got from somebody. New Craft Day or 7 Great, one of those maybe, or one Day Saving. I can't remember. It was one of those companies, but we'll find out. But I may pull that out for November, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, because I'm pretty sure that I can cover the mountains as far. I don't know that I'll have any starts in mountains, but yeah, we've got mountains covered. Mountains, flowers, cats, you know, we can go with almost anything. Animals, ladies, yeah. We can cover the majors, but sometimes when it gets too off the wall, like, what was that? It wasn't autumn. September. Yeah, September didn't work out though. No. So, onward, forward. Yep, let's just get through Halloween. I'll probably be going to, my granddaughter is in grade school, and this is the last year for them to, they have a parade at, it's like during school, so it's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and it'll be Friday, so I get to go to that because I'm not working, yay. But it's the last year that they have that, and they just go down Main Street to the end of it where the big, not highway, but I call it a highway, it's a 4-lane road, shall we say, and they don't even get near that part, but, and they turn around, they come back, and everybody gets to see what all the Halloween costumes are. So we've been doing this since my grandson was in grade school, so this is the last year that they have that. I don't think they do anything in middle school. I don't remember hearing anything about us having to show up for something. So, yeah. But that is the big excitement for the week. Maybe I'll take everybody to lunch or something. Or afternoon dinner. Maybe we'll buy pizza or something. I have no idea. We'll figure that out when we get there. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me this week. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.